afternoon, my beautiful family and friends, and welcome to Coco's Cucina. Thank you guys so much for your subscription. If you have not already subscribed, guys, now's a great time to do so. All you have to do is click the subscribe button and click that notification bell, guys, to be reminded of any new and upcoming videos that are released. So, guys, without any further ado, today we're going to do our roasted carrots, guys. These carrots are going to be roasted in honey and butter. So we've already got our butter added to our skillet, guys. We've added our carrots to the skillet, and now we're adding our honey. Yes, that honey is going to intensify the sweetness of this carrot that's already sweet. And we're going to just intensify that sweetness just a little bit more with the honey. To that honey, guys, we've got to add a little seasoning as well. So to that honey, we are going to go ahead and add our seasoning. Our seasoning is going to consist of a black pepper, which is not freshly ground, but just black pepper, guys. If you got the freshly ground, that's even better. That's what I would prefer, but I didn't have that. Also, we're going to add just a little bit of the pink Himalaya salt. And we're going to also go ahead and intensify that sweetness a little bit more, guys, by adding just a little bit more sugar. Okay, we're going to sprinkle that sugar on those carrots, and then we're going to allow that to come to a simmer. And that's going to take approximately 10 minutes, guys. We're going to bring it to a nice little simmering boil, right? Because our last process for this particular honey roasted carrot is to be placed in the oven. But we do want to bring it to a nice boil first before we place it in the oven. So we're going to go ahead and get that all nicely incorporated, get it stirred up very, very good, and get those seasonings blended very nicely. All right, because we're about to go ahead and place that in our baking dish. So right now you can see our liquids have started to reduce, and that's what we want them to reduce, but they will reduce a whole lot more once it's placed in the oven, guys. But this is very, very good. You can see the honey, the butter, you can see that mixture. So yeah, that is just really nice. It just kind of turns it into like a syrup. So now it's time, guys. It's time to go ahead and place that in the baking dish so that we could go ahead and place that in the oven. So we're going to just go ahead and place it in the baking dish. We're not placing anything in the dish because it has butter in it already. So we're going to go ahead and pour it in the dish. Sorry about all of that. But that's what happens. You have to keep everything clean. So we're just going to get that placed in our baking dish, guys, and in the oven it goes. And it's going to stay in the oven another maybe 15 minutes, guys, until the liquid has totally reduced. And it just kind of gives you the look of somewhat of a roasted potato. I'm sorry. A roasted carrot, not a potato. A roasted carrot. So we're going to go ahead and place that in the oven. But before that, of course, we've got to sprinkle just a little tad bit more pepper. Pepper makes everything taste better. I really like the cracked pepper a whole lot more, though. But this will have to do, okay? So placing that in the oven, guys, it's only about 15 minutes. It's on the lower rack. Temperature is set at 350 degrees. This is the end result that has been sprinkled with dried orange peels. And this is it, guys. This is your honey roasted carrots. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And until the next time, guys, remain sweet and kind. Bye for now.